y'all, what's up? Woo! Hi. Welcome back to my channel. So this year has been so crazy. I have been MIA. I do apologize. I just, things happen. But yeah, so we're back and we're better, and we are back with another wig, another headband wig hair tutorial for you guys. And this one is from Braids Queen. I love my last wig from them, so I'm so excited for this one. So yeah, let's just jump straight into the video, and I'm really excited to be back. So in this bag is our headband wig from Braids Queen. You get this gorgeous bag. I love when companies send me products in a bag or a box. It's pretty cool to me because then I can store the wig in its packaging. All right, so inside we have a wig cap. We have multiple headbands. And then we have our wig. Ooh. Oh, okay, so I have not had a headband wig like this before. The headband that it comes with is not just like a plain black headband. It is this color, gray, black, blue. I think it's like black, blue, gray, white. I don't know, but yeah. So it's this. Hopefully that's not too big for us to hide with other headbands, but we will see. But the construction of the wig. Okay, so first of all, this is their Goddess box braid wig. She's super cute. Oh, I should get rid of that. She's really long. It's 28 inches long. You can see the braids, really nice. Like the wig looks moisturized. What else do we want to know? The color is 1B, of course. The construction, let's see. So we have one of our clips right here, little combs that help secure the wig. One in the front, one in the nape. And yeah, she's just, you can see the hair on the inside. The cap is structured really nicely. And if you do have a bigger head, there's a lot of elastic in here to help stretch it. Okay, so I think that this goes in the back of my head like this. And then, so does the rest of the wig. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Okay, yeah, this is right. Okay, so now I'm just putting the wig on my head. I am securing that back clip, and then I'm just straightening out that headband. And then in the front, I am securing this front comb. Okay, now we gotta fix the headband. So I'm just gonna fold it over. I want my baby hairs out. So I'm gonna scoot the headband back a little. Wow, I made that so difficult and it was so easy. Wow, she's cute. Ooh, I like this. Okay. I think I'm really gonna like it with a different headband for sure. The braids are super tight, so they're not going to unravel. Okay. Okay, so I already have this one, but we have a cute yellow headband. Have this blue one as well. I really like this one. These are giving me real springtime vibes. We have a cheetah print one, leopard print. Always gotta have one of these. This is a pretty pasty one. I really like this one. It has like the peach, the browns, and like a turquoise. And then we also have a camouflage one. That's cute as well. So I want to put this one on, so let's just do that real quick. And here is another one. I really like this headband. It's giving me springtime vibes for real. Oh, I feel so like boho chic, you know? But there's like multiple hairstyles that you can do with a headband wig, especially a braided headband wig. You can do half up, half down. You could do a high pony. You could do a bun. You could do 2 pigtails. You can even braid your braids. There's like multiple things. You could do space buns, whatever floats your boat, you could do. So let's try out some real quick. Ooh, I always like to do when I have braids, I always take one side, pull it back, pull the other side back. And if I had a ponytail, we could use that. Okay, found a ponytail. And you're just going to add the ponytail to those 2 little pieces. Voila. There's one hairstyle. Let's see what else we could do. And of course, we have another one. Half up, half down. Always my favorite go-to hairstyle. This is cute. And I just want to let you guys know that these braids are so lightweight. It's not heavy at all. So I am prone to always getting headaches when my wig is too tight or my hair is just too heavy on my head. And this is not heavy at all. It's so lightweight. I love this one. Okay, let's try another one. And voila, another one. Oh, I love these braided wig, not even just like headbands, but wigs in general, because you don't have to sit down for forever, spend lots and lots of money. And when I get my hair braided, I take it out like that because I just get tired of it so fast. So me having a braided wig is just everything. But yeah, I'm loving the wig so far. The only negative thing that I do have to say about this wig is that the built-in headband that it comes with, I am not a fan of. It's so wide, and it's just so big that it's hard to hide it. It's hard to hide it with another headband. And then it kind of makes a little bit of like bulkiness when you do stack another headband on top. I wish it would have just came with this simple black headband, but either way, you can still cover it up. You just got to use a bigger headband. But that's my only negative complaint about the wig. I'm obsessed. I am going to go to the beauty supply store to get some hair pieces, some gold ones to like pop in. And yeah, this is cute. I also just want to shout out Braids Queen for sending us this beautiful wig. Thank you guys so much. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, I love you. Bye.